Of course, we expect that there will be also some concrete business takeaways from this trip in terms of new agreements and contracts opening new opportunities for these companies. We have at the moment about 250 Finnish companies that we are closely following here. Up to 300 companies we are discussing that are looking into coming into China. You can't give a simple answer, but what I think and observe is one is that China's very strong ecosystem for production manufacturing. And the second thing is that the newcomers especially bringing a new innovation from Finland and taking the benefit of China market's ability to scale up, put them into commercial use is a very strong combination. The green transition that China is very actively embarking on is a huge opportunity for Finnish companies. Finland is living in the forest. Many Finnish companies for decades already have developed solutions for energy transition, developing circularity, making sure that there are sustainable solutions available. I believe we have a lot of these type of proven solutions already developed in Finnish market where China is now moving into. And that gives a natural win-win combination by bringing this competence and applying them into the China market. We have, of course, high hopes because we expect that there will be more flight capacity added between our countries. So if everything goes as planned, there should be 50% more flight capacity between China and Finland. And this all feeds into the positive development.